Okay, so I wanted to share with you just a couple of simple things to do in the new OS. And so these are just some basic functions of the operating system. When we talk about OS, we mean the operating system. So we're using OS 7 on our iPads, and you'll be using a different OS for your desktop. So that's what they say when they say like iOS 7. So anyway, so we bring up the iPad screen here, and I'm just going to go over to settings, and when I click on settings, you'd think I'd go to privacy, which is what I thought earlier, but it's not that. You go to general, and when you scroll down in general, you get to passcode lock, and passcode lock is important. So you go and you click on passcode lock turned on, and I'm just going to do a simple one. I will do something like 4582, and it's going to say 4582 is my passcode lock, and so it's on, and I'm going to go here, and when I go and I lock the screen and I try and bring it back up, I'm going to slide, and it's going to say, hey, you need a passcode, and I go 4582, and I'm in. So that's a really simple way to do that. I don't actually like that code, so I'm going to turn it off. So I'm going to go back to passcode lock, and it's going to want me to put that in, and then I'm going to turn it off, and it's going to ask me again. So make sure you choose something you can remember. Um, One other thing that I want to show you, if you have something like, let's say we create something really cool, and we go and I'm over in an app like ThingLink, and I love ThingLink, and um, I've got my thing links already, and here's one, and I love it, and I want to capture this into my desktop, not my desktop, my photos. I'm going to press the home button, that's the little circular one at the bottom, and the lock button in the top right at the same time. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and do you see how it kind of like flashed on the screen? That's my little clue that it went into my photos. So when I go back out here and I go into photos, and I need to get out of this photo, you'll see it right here. Here's the image that I actually captured off of my iPhone, or my iPad rather. So I could do that just of the desktop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and it captures, and there's my desktop. So I've actually captured two things there. That's a different image altogether, but that's a way to capture images. So two quick little tips for iOS.